Hello student, my name is Swapnali. In this video, I will teach you Wolff-Kishner reduction from the chapter Aldehyde and Ketone HSC board. This topic is very important for IIT JAM, NEET, Maharashtra, CET exams. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Swapnali. Let's start with the video. In this video, I will teach you Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Here, this reduction is from the chapter aldehyde and ketone. From the chapter aldehyde and ketone. The aldehyde and ketone both consist of carbonyl, and with the help of Wolff-Kishner reduction, these O is removed and hydrogen is added over here. What is the reduction? Reduction means removal of oxygen. This oxygen is removed and here hydrogen is added. Here 4 hydrogen is required. 2 hydrogen add here and 2 hydrogen combine with this oxygen. The byproduct is water and product is alkane. Now we can see the general reaction. The general reaction is this is carbonyl group containing compound, aldehyde or ketone. This is aldehyde or ketone. What are the reagents are used for Wolff-Kishner reduction? The reagent used are NH2, NH2 in KOH. First here, this is the hydrazine. This H2 and this oxygen combine and here we get an NH2. By removal of water. Here this end directly attached to this double bonded carbon and water is eliminated. Then it react with KOH in ethylene glycol. This is ethylene glycol, this is the base. Under heating condition what happens? This hydrogen adds here and this N2 is eliminated. In the form of gas, nitrogen gas is evolved and here 2 hydrogen is added and we get alkane. Now we can see some examples. If we take propanaldehyde, this is an aldehyde, it undergo Wolff-Kishner reagent. What are the reagent? NH2, NH2 in KOH. Here this H2 and oxygen combine, byproduct is water and the product is C2H5CO, here CnNH2. Then this intermediate react with KOH in ethylene glycol under heating condition. This hydrogen add here and N2 is eliminated. N2 gas is evolved and here C2H5CH3. These 2 hydrogen and this 1 hydrogen CH3 and we get propane. Now we can see next reaction with ketone. Next reaction with ketone. Here we use ethyl phenyl ketone. What are the reagent? Reagent is NH2NH2. It is an hydrazine in presence of KOH. First water is eliminated. Water is eliminated as byproduct. Here C double bond as it is. Here N is attached to double bonded carbon and we get hydrazone. Then it react with KOH in ethylene glycol under heating condition. Here this hydrogen adds to this carbon and 2 is eliminated and we get here CH2 here is the C2H5, here is the C2H5, here is the 2 hydrogen, and here is the C2H5. That is here propyl. This group is reduced into a propyl group, and here N2 gas is evolved. What is the name of the compound? Here it is an alkyl substituted benzene. The name of alkyl is propyl benzene. Propyl benzene. The Wolff-Kishner reduction is used for preparation of higher alkane substituted benzene. Alkane substituted alkyl substituted benzene. Means here higher alkane is attached to the alkyl group attached to the benzene. It is not possible directly by Friedel-Crafts alkylation. By Friedel-Crafts alkylation, not possible for higher alkyl substituted benzene. For this purpose, we use Wolff-Kishner reduction. First, we do Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here, we do Friedel-Crafts acylation first. The reagent is AlCl3. Here, it reacts with C2H5COCl, and we get this compound. And after Wolff-Kishner reduction, we get higher alkyl substituted benzene. If we directly do Friedel-Crafts alkylation, here CH3 CH2Cl in presence of AlCl3 is Lewis acid. Here we use anhydrous. Then we not get directly this compound here CH2 CH3. Why? Because first step is carbocation formation. Here this Cl combined with this Lewis acid. Here this primary carbocation unstable. Therefore, by shifting hydrogen, here rearrangement of carbocation take place and we get secondary carbocation. The secondary carbocation is more stable. Then this secondary carbocation react with these carbocation and we get this compound. Means here branch chain is attached to benzene, not directly straight chain. Therefore, we use first Friedel-Crafts acylation, then Wolff-Kishner reduction. Here, this hydrogen is replaced by this CH3 CH3 group, and we get this compound. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.